Hey guys, Ms. Oates here. Today we're going to talk about solving equations. Our standard, Common Core State Standard 8EE7, we're going to solve linear equations in one variable. We're able to solve linear equations with rational numbers, coefficients, including equations whose solutions require expanding expressions using the distributive property, and combining like terms. So, one of our essential questions, what strategies can I use to solve equations using the distributive property? Let's solve some two-steps equations, and remember, if you don't check it, your answer may not be correct. So 2x plus 8 is equal to 20. If I solve that correctly, x should be equal to 6. 3x minus 12 is equal to 30. If I solve that correctly, x should be equal to 14. If you're not sure how to do two-step equations, look over in your foldable under two-step equations, the pink sheet. Now, let's write an equation using the information given to show the area of the rectangle. Well, we know that the area is the length times the width, and we know that the area of the rectangle is 18. I can use a distributive property. 2 times 4x plus 1 is equal to 18. Let's solve it using the distributive property. X is equal to 2. How is x equal to 2? Well, remember, I must distribute everything inside the parentheses by what's outside of the parentheses. Try this one on your own. X should be equal to 6. If you don't understand how we got 6, look back in your foldable. Remember, everything inside the parentheses gets multiplied by what's outside the parentheses. And then I have a regular two-step equation that I just need to solve. Okay, on a sheet of paper, I want you to do these on your own. Did you get x is equal to negative 9? How about x is equal to 4? How about these? K is equal to negative 12. And x is equal to negative 12. Don't let fractions scare you. Multiply everything inside by what's outside. You should get x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 7. Here's a multi-step equation with variables on both sides. Do the same thing. Let's get all the variables on one side, all the numbers on the other. When you have the answer, or if you think you have the answer, show these two problems to your teachers to work them together. I hope this has helped you a little with solving equations and solving two-step equations using the distributive property. Here's some more. Now, if you're unsure how to do these problems and you have a smartphone, you can download an app called PhotoMath, PHOTOMATH. You can scan the problem and it'll give you step-by-step instructions. X should be equal to 1. X should be equal to negative 15. Try these on your own. Turn them in on a separate sheet of paper for a class grade. Check your answer. Make sure that you have showed where you have checked your answer.